all the equipment. I'm gonna get these guys warmed up for the day. Start the warm-up cycle, place bucket on the ground. Alright.
Is your radio on?
Turn on the radio. Well,
Maybe.
Most of the whole dug out, sloped everything off, pretty much down to the clay with a bunch of organic matter in it. Just kind of getting the rest of this. We still got to have a road to get in and out of here. Our pile that we made is monstrous, almost 2 stories high. I got to get up there with the excavator after this and clean it up a little bit, make a little bit more room, stack it up a little bit higher, so you can have a road leading in and out of this job site. Still because it's in different elevations on the job. It's not just in one spot. I mean, you can see, like, I don't know if you can see, but way the heck out there, I mean, it's probably 5 to 6 feet higher in elevation than down in here. So I don't want to have to remove all that material. So we'll just stop in there, and then we're going to excavate that out afterwards. So we have our separate piles, and then we got to truck all of that material out of here. We're still waiting on the test that they took with it. I mean, it's going to fail, but I guess they're trying to see, I don't know what the specifics they're trying to look at, to see if we can get away with either just burying it or mixing it in with this material that we have here. But it's most likely just going to be a complete remove and a haul. So we got to figure that out after we get that news. Like I said, our inspector came here this morning. Just got to double check with us, check to see if we need anything. Let's check and see, I guess, if we're going to be lifting anything, but today is definitely a no-no. Especially, we still got to get one more excavation. I know it's not the most well, I guess it's not the most convenient way to do what we're doing, but we're so limited on room, so we kind of got to just separate out what we're doing material-wise. I mean, if we had places to stockpile all this, I'll excavate everything out for the room. I don't mind, but we're going to have to do 3 different steps as we go on. And, you know, when PG&E came out here, he was telling us, you know, where like the utility limitations are. He's pretty much saying everything's about 5, or I guess he said on the safe side, stay 10 feet away from the curb, and we'll be good. Because they're supposed to stub out all the utilities, but they never did that in the beginning. So, and everything's live, so you don't want to hit anything. And that was our biggest thing. We wanted to check with them before we even got, you know, within 20 feet. I don't want to have to deal with something like that when all you have to do is ask the guy that knows what he's doing and get his information. That's about it. You can avoid a lot of problems with one question and one phone call. So, make life a little bit easier. I'm leaving this here right here. Just sitting on the ledge right now. Just rocky. Try to get as much material as I can out of the hole. Just keep our road here. Need to, you know, trim off a little bit. Try to get all the good stuff that we have up and out of here. Purpose, you know, with hydro seed, you know, to keep erosion from happening. And yeah, when they came in here, they just dumped a bunch of material on top of us. We can't have that. Not good at all. All right, we got most of the hole dug out. Had a quick lunch. I forgot to record it, but just nothing special. We just got the 040 out of here, out of the way, going to a different job. Just restacking this pile we made, give us a little bit more room. 950's down there, getting the last of what I excavated out of the hole. And then I'm gonna have to go back and get all the clay out of there and stockpile that somewhere else. I guess we're still having the engineer take a look at it to see if we need to off-haul it or if we can use it as a base in the back of pretty much the backyards of the property, because those only need to be at 85% minimum compaction. I mean, that's all depends on their approval, if they allow us to do it or not. If not, we have to off-haul it. If they allow us, then we can stockpile it up against the retaining wall that still needs to be built. So that's just a little bit of a waiting game right there on that one. And 950's putting in some good work. So I'm pretty much, I mean, I've been on this for maybe like 15 minutes, just getting some material out of the way. Keep on using our entrance and exit. You can always go higher. Not much room side to side though. Got those guys over there putting their solar panels. Knock down the edges so it's safe. Nothing likes to collapse randomly or, you know. Still got to filter out a lot of trash out of this soil too as we go. Almost done up here. He's got a few more loads to go. You know what? I might just backtrack that up. Alright, loader's all done for right now. I'm gonna do my part. Here, if I can flip around real quick. This and George is pretty much just getting kind of staged up for when we got to take off, get a few things up and out of the dump trailer, and get the skid steer loaded up and chained down. So he's going to do that and get prepped because I really don't need the loader right now. So he can do that. So he'll be ready to just take off, beat traffic again. No last minute things needed. Man, this is deep. All right, so that's about it for today. Just got in the truck, gonna fill up the excavator. I put in a transfer tank in that Ford yesterday. We had the day off just because it was raining. Nice tight fit. So we got a transfer tank in that, transfer tank in my truck, so we can keep up on fuel when we have these bigger machinery on site. So. And that loader definitely sucks up a little bit of fuel, working that thing the entire day. don't think that's close enough. I think. Hopefully. I'll take hopefully. Yeah, maybe.
Hold it off the truck.
All right. Sweet. I got 2 jugs of depth in my truck also. I don't know, did it use much of it all this time?
The needle hasn't moved.
Oh, all right. Thing up and out of the way. She's full. Yep. That's it. Come on, door. Not being sure. God damn. Take it. Yeah.
Maybe just sloped it a little more. Then we'll almost be that first four lots.
That's true.
That'll be cool.
Hell yeah. I'll see what he says.
Yeah, I'll definitely get
Hopefully
the
don't
ball in the
get,
morning.
yeah. Got the 65 loaded up, like, you know, as I was ripping out the rest of the nonsense, got it all chained down. And this is the transfer tank we put in yesterday. Super simple process. It's a 100-galloner. I've had it at my house for a little while. So putting it to use now since I don't have another truck. You know, just a fill right 15 gallon a minute. Always put a filter on your transfer tanks, and just the auto shut off for someone else using the truck and they're not paying attention. You know, keep the fuel spills down. My 60 trip. And same thing, you know, 15 gallon a minute pump. That's about it. That's it for the day. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, subscribe. Don't subscribe, whatever you feel like doing for the day. Have a good one.